I believe it's right here. Make sure. I'm quite excited to show you this. Cooperate with me, Bull. Uncasing videos.
Declaring your love for them.
Yeah. Then the
Please
next
step away from the fruit bowl.
Get to the future.
Woo! Let's get to the fun part of this video.
Oh, I just went there.
Guys and girls, ladies and gents, cows and sheep, it is 3:15 in the morning and you are watching a Wheelie Goood video. This time, a Wheelie Goood unboxing video. You may have noticed the camera is slightly at a weird angle. That is because, as you would know from the last episode, my tripod broke, so I've got a new mountable tripod from the guys over at Smart Tree. I'm considering to do a review of this tripod at some point, but today, right now, I want to do this unboxing video. I'm really excited about this. Actually, I was anticipating this for a very long time. Crepe paper. We need crepe paper, right? That can be chucked over there. As you might have guessed, I grew up in the 90s. And even back then, I had a vague interest in video games. In fact, it slowly started to evolve from that point on, and my very first console was the Sega Mega Drive, better known as the Sega Genesis, over in the US and Canada, and maybe Japan too. But I was a huge fan of a certain Hedgehog. This I've been waiting for ages, and you see my voice even cracked. Let's put this over here. Kidrobot. The box is so Sonic, and I met with a great eBay seller. Thanks, man. You made my day. What can I say? It's the Hedgehog. Guys and girls, are you ready for me to unlock, unbox, and build this? Come on out, Sonic. You're my favorite Hedgehog. This arrived, oh come on man, a week ago. Sorry guys, the camera turned off, and I'm back now. This is so freaking exciting. Get the rings out. The hilltop with the sunflower too. Very nicely done. Yay! Yay! I'm pretty good, she says, unable to push the sunflower into place. Oh yeah, this is the limited edition statuette. This is the metallic blue Sonic. Let's put the rings in. little fragile, but it looks so cool. I love Kidrobot. I've completely hopefully they will stay in place, and looks like this just sits on top like that and looks really cool. That's right? That looks right. Yeah, whenever I see Sonic, I'm instantly reminded of my childhood. Guys and girls, there you have it, my unboxing to the Sonic the Hedgehog Hilltop figure from Kidrobot. I love this company. I love what they do. Every figure of theirs is freaking awesome. If I had any quarrels, any complaints about this figure, I would say that the pieces are very fragile, and I wish the rings and Sonic had a more solid foundation to sit on. I don't know why Kidrobot decided to go this route, seeing as it's a very expensive piece to begin with anyway, but for what it is it looks extremely cool. As always with Kidrobot anyway, the paint is always very well done. The sculpt is great, although like I said, the pieces are very fragile. That's my only complaint about this. One of these days I do plan on showing you guys my entire collection of Kidrobot and Funko figures, because I still have some figures left from Funko that I wanted to keep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for so much more. I hope you guys don't mind this angle. I hope it's not too weird. Until my next video, go check out my previous ones. Support the channel. Share and recommend, because that always helps me out. This is B signing off for Wheelie Goood. Bye. I'm a bit worried turning this because I don't want Sonic to fall, but I want to give you guys a 360 degree view of this little beauty. Smart packaging, smart tree. I can't wait to break open this bad boy. Finally, a new tripod for this camera that I'm holding. I may do an unboxing video, I may do a review video, who knows. But until then, stay tuned for so much more on this Wheelie Goood channel.